this baby unwrapped, I'm going to get rid of this. I've already opened the package. Get rid of this glary thing before we begin. So this is what you get in the box, the planner itself. You get a little pouch for your pens, stickers, whatever, the little doohickeys here. I assume they fit in there. You also get these stickers. Now on the box it says clear vinyl stickers. They don't look clear to me, so I don't really understand what that means. They're definitely vinyl stickers, but they're certainly not clear. And it does say you get like quite a few stickers. There's like 196 stickers or something, and it doesn't look like 96 stickers, but if you can see, all of these are multiple stickers. So on this you've actually got a small star in the middle and a large star with a cutout in the middle. So there are multiple stickers, and all of these are the same. These I've got 2 triangles, a solid one in the centre and a ring triangle around the outside. And I suppose if you really wanted to, you could cut out the outsides and make an extra sticker from each one, but who has time for that? So that's the stickers. You also get these really cute paper clips, actually. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 paper clips. They're all the same. They've got Jane Davenport written on the side, but they're actually girls' faces. Can you see that? So when you put them on your paper, it's a nice dock postcard. I'll use this. This is from Kiri Leonard. It's a magical gnome from her Patreon. When you put this on your paper, you get a little face. It's kind of cute, isn't it? And the other side, you've got a, I suppose it's a header box if you want to use it like that. But that's rather nice. I like that. Obviously they work both ways, so if you're a lefty like me, that's fine. You can put them on the other side as well. I like her little eyelashes. She's got such tiny little details. Very cute. So there's 4 of those. Then there are sticky notes. A pack of sticky notes, which actually stick. I like it. They're only stuck at the top. They're not full sticky. They're only like that top ½ inch. But, you know, sticky notes that either stick to each other but don't stick to anything else, or don't stick to anything at all, are the bane of my existence. So it's quite nice to have sticky notes that actually stick to stuff. And then this is the planner itself. So let's have a quick look in here. It's a chunky planner. It looks like it's got 30mm rings. Let me have a look. Where is my ruler? There we go. Yes, 30mm rings easily. So on the outside it's got her Learn to Fly print, which is from her scrapbook papers. It's very nice. I like that. It feels nice. It's very chunky. It's very hefty compared to my very broken in Portland. It's extremely chunky. So it's actually, the cover is bigger. I think the cover is more A5 cover size, whereas my personal is very slim. But it looks comparable to the Carpe Diem one I've got, so that gives you an idea of size. Inside we've got teal. Well, know how much I love teal, so that might have to get painted. I would have liked kind of this browny colour, this plummy colour in there. That would have been really nice, but I suppose a lot of people like teal, don't they? And then here's the, that's just packing. And this is the planner thing itself. Now there's no thingies. That's interesting. You're not really supposed to open ring binders like that. Probably could have done with a little pressy mechanism. And it doesn't, it looks like it's only held on with those studs, so I suppose if you wanted to, you could replace that with a ring thing from a Gillio or something like that. They do them separately, don't they? Okay, let's have a look at the inserts. What I'm going to do is just shove them on the rings because it makes it easier to turn them. There we go. The little intro from Jane herself. A little if lost, please return to page. And then we've got it's divided up into the 12 months. I like these dividers. I'm not a big fan of side dividers, but I do rather like the designs on these. I've already seen a preview of them on the packaging. So in the months, the dividers have, this has got a quote on the back. I'll look at the dividers separately in a minute, but let's look at the month first. So this month, to do, goals, dreams and wishes. And if I'm not mistaken, that sticky note fits in there. Just like that. Yay, awesome. Then we've got an undated calendar, Sunday start, notes on the right. And then we've got weekly inserts, a notes box, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So Monday start week, Sunday start month. My rings are very, very slightly out of line, but I can fix that, that's not an issue. They'll probably be even worse by the time they've been opened and closed like this a few times. Be interesting to see how they hold up. Yeah, weekly, weekly, weekly. Oh, and then we've got some notes pages, that's handy. Well, one notes page at the end of the week and another notes page separate. And then we're on to February, so I think all the months are the same. Let's just make sure there's nothing extra at the back. It's an undated planner, so there's no calendars or anything in it. So let's have a look at these dividers. They are pretty, I like these. It's January. January's quote, "I'm not making a mess, I'm making a life." February, like 4 seasons in one day. It's drawing time. March, she's pretty, I like that one. I like that one a lot. Head into the wilds of your imagination. Ooh, that one's lovely too. I like the dark ones. I'm liking July as well. So April says draw out your wonder. May. Your heart is your greatest treasure. June. Oh, she's pretty. She spoke fluent fantastic. I like that, but believe it or not, I've just had to film that 3 times to say it properly. My mouth doesn't work like that. Here's July's. She's very nice. And July says, I live with one foot in a fairy tale. August. Get into your art flow. September. Ooh, can't read that one. I am always learning, always a beginner. Well, that's a good one for September. I like that. October. If I can find it in 5 minutes, it's not hoarding. That's got to be a Jane Davenport direct quote. She's said that at some point, I'm sure she has. Actually, that one does say JD at the bottom, so I reckon that's a direct quote from Jane, that one. If I can find it in 5 minutes, it's not hoarding. I like that. I'm going to remember that one. November, oh, she's beautiful. I love the colours in this. This rich brown colour, this kind of, or this plummy mauve would have been beautiful on here. Really nice. Your creativity is a garden that never stops growing. And then December, and she's quite plain, but she's quite interesting as well. The more you look, the more you see. And December says, beauty is everywhere. I'm not sure if I'll use the inserts. They're undated, so I don't need to decide right now. I can always move January to the back. But I also quite like these inserts, and I might... Scooby, shush baby. I might give these a try. I like the plain grey edges. You could do all sorts with these. You could add some Jane Davenport washi tape. I happen to have mine here. That would look rather snazzy, put on the pages. You could, I've got the other one here somewhere. Oh, I've got the arty one. You could put that on, and it's a bit crumpled because it keeps coming unravelled. It's very annoying that it keeps coming unravelled. I need to paperclip it or something. So you could put some of that on and colour them in if you wanted to. And of course you've got the wide one with the little bits all over it, which is nice if you're arty. You can also cut these up and use them as stickers, which looks quite useful as well. Here's one more. So you could use your, that's a bit wide for that, but certainly on the weeks, I think you could get away with using the thicker ones if you wanted to. You could always trim them down. So if you put that thick washi tape from the top, it would come to just above the boxes there. So it does actually fit. Same with the bottom. The very wide one doesn't, but yeah. So that's pretty interesting. The paper's nice. Obviously I'll have to do some pen tests on it and see how that goes. I do not like this teal at all. I'm not a teal girl, I'm just not. I do like it, it's nice. Like I say, it's very chunky and it's quite stiff, it needs wearing in. It doesn't quite lie flat, but it's close enough. Once you put some weight on that side, it'll be fine. Just needs the cardboard breaking in a little bit. There you go, now it lies flat. So it might be good as a little drawing file of facts, actually, because you've got a box for each day. So if you were doing something like a doodle challenge or something, and you like to do those little challenges where you fill in your monthly calendar in your Hobonichi, this would work for that. You could do that. Do little tiny baby works of art. I might do that for January, actually. That looks fun. I could do that in January and then, you know, perhaps use it as a planner in February. Give it a try, see how it goes. I'm a bit busy this month to try and swap it over completely, but I could certainly put all my planner stuff straight into here. I'm excited to have a play. It's going to be fun. I will let you know how I get on with it and what I do with it, and yeah, watch this space because I think there'll be some altering happening.